In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product bundle in WooCommerce using a free plugin. We're going to walk through the full process from setup to testing, so by the end, you'll have a working bundle product that customers can add to their cart and purchase just like any other item in your store. This is a great way to group related products together, increase average order value, and make shopping easier for your customers. First, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for your site, including plugins, products, and store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, the next thing you want to do is install the free product bundle plugin shown in the tutorial. Head over to the plugin area, search for the bundle plugin, and install it. If you're following along with a specific tutorial, make sure you choose the exact plugin being demonstrated so the settings and options match what you see on screen. After the plugin is installed, go ahead and activate it. Activating the plugin is what makes its bundle features available inside WooCommerce. Once that's done, you're ready to build your bundle product. Now create a new WooCommerce product, or edit an existing one if you already have a product that you want to turn into a bundle. Inside the product settings, look for the product type options and select the bundle product option. This changes the product from a standard item into a bundled offer and unlocks the extra settings you'll need. Next, add the individual products that belong in the bundle. These are the items your customer will receive when they buy the bundled product. As you add them, make sure you're selecting the correct products, especially if your store has similar names or multiple versions of the same item. Once the products are added, configure the quantity for each bundled product. This step lets you define exactly how many of each item are included in the bundle. Be careful here, because these quantities directly affect what the customer receives and how the offer is presented. After that, set the bundle price or discount. Depending on how the plugin works, you may either define a fixed bundle price or apply a discount to encourage customers to buy the grouped offer instead of purchasing items separately. Make sure the pricing is clear and makes sense for your store strategy. When everything looks good, publish the bundle. That makes it live on your site and available for purchase. Finally, add the bundle to the cart and test the complete purchase. This is an important last step because it helps you confirm that the bundle displays correctly, the pricing works as expected, and the checkout process is smooth from start to finish.